Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Our Perodua Ativa's rattling sound is back again. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what the sound is all about, document it, and well, let's see what we can do to solve this problem. Download the official WapCar app on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store now. So the first time when the rattling issue popped up, we sent it into Perodua Service Center and got it checked, and we found that the problem, the source of the rattling noise comes from the rear drum brakes, specifically on the driver's side, so this particular unit here. So what happened was, because there's a lot of free play within the brake shoe, which causes the rattling noise when you go over uneven surfaces. So actually it's not that big of a bothersome problem. That means you don't hear it all the time. It's only when you go over very huge humps or very big dips, and then you hear the rattling noise. So it's going to have a little bit trouble recreating the noise, especially when you take it to the service center. So apparently this does not cause any safety issue. It doesn't cause any safety concern. What it does is, once they tighten it up, your handbrake just gets a little bit tighter, and that's about it. So now we're gonna go for a quick drive and let you hear what the rattling noise is all about. So when you go over this kind of like uneven surfaces, you don't really hear it, even on cobalt surfaces. It's only when you go over really sharp bumps, then you hear it. For example, the one coming up here. Yep, you hear that little bit of croak noises. That's what I'm talking about. So Perodua says that the service center told us that it doesn't cause any kind of like safety issue. There's no problems. We can drive normally. It's just a little bit of an annoyance that having that kind of knocking noise. So we are very fortunate that our Perodua Ativa, besides that knocking noise, has been rattle problem free. You know, other owners have brought up issues such as build quality issues, leaking engines, leaking fluids, but so far bulletproof in our Perodua Ativa, and it has come up to 3,000 and almost 3,300 kilometers, relatively problem free. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take it back to the service center and rectify this issue again and see whether will there be a permanent solution, because other owners have also raised up the same issue, that they hear that rattling noise. So we're going to take it to the service center, see whether is this, you know, probably warrant a recall or something like that, because after fixing it and the problem comes back again, so that's not really a fix per se. So yeah, stay tuned to our next video where we take this back to the service center. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Download the official WapCar app on Apple App Store and Google Play Store for all your latest reviews, news, and comparisons to help you find your next perfect car.